Alright, so yesterday I placed an order for the TOYO R888Rs 225/45/15. I'm going to mount them on my VMS Racing 15x8 wheels with the 20 offset. And I'm not sure what the name is of the design of wheel I went with. They're VMS Racing wheels because I know they have like the revolvers. But the 5-spoke ones that I got, I'm not even sure what they're called. If you know what they're called, shit, comment below and let me know. I don't really see a name for them. But yeah, I'm on the way right now. Ordered them yesterday and they came in this morning. Like not even 12 hours they came in. So I wasn't expecting that. So I'm gonna run down and go pick them up. And hopefully I can catch some spare time at the end of the day and get them mounted up. Pretty exciting. Appreciate it. Thank you. So I'm going to tell you why these tires are pretty special. So every tire has a UT/QG tire rating, and that's basically how long the tread lasts. The lower that rating, the less tire life or tread life you actually get out of the tire. But the reason for that is because the tread is actually softer. Softer compounds don't last as long as harder, stiffer tires. Like your Michelins and you know, certain brands, they have a really high rating. They're really firm and they last forever. But these TOYO R888Rs, they have a UT/QG rating of 100. Like your standard economy, you know, daily driver tires, probably in the range of 400 to 600. To put that into perspective, the Toto 555R drag radial has a rating of 200. So this tire actually has a softer compound than the Toto drag radial, but it's not even labeled as a drag radial, which is kind of crazy to me. These TOYO proxies actually would hook better than the Toto drag radials. And I think like Hoosier, actually, I was looking at a site, they had a full-blown slick that was like a 40 UT/QG. And then you can even, you know, your hardcore slicks are like fucking 0. But yeah, basically, long story short, this is a very sticky, soft tire that's got a tread design that's safe for the street, can go through water pretty well, will get the most amount of traction pretty much as you can from a street tire. So that's why I love these R888Rs, and they have a lot of different sizes to choose from. I basically picked like the perfect width and height. 225/45, I think it's 23 inches tall, and the 225 is going to fit the 8-inch rim like perfectly. So yeah, that's why I think these tires are so special. So if it doesn't say the UT/QG, it'll say tread wear. Like here it is right here on this tire, tread wear 100. So if you're not sure what your tire is rated at, just look for this, tread wear or UT/QG. Yeah, so I'm working on part 2 of my head gasket job. I've cleaned the head. Next, I'm just going to clean the block. Check the channel if you're interested in seeing that. I did it in a pretty unique way. I removed the whole thing as an assembly. The intake manifold, exhaust manifold, all just one big piece. But yeah, I'll probably put a link in that in the description and a card up top. If you're interested in seeing this, check it out. Alright, so I'm actually mounting a different set of wheels, but I could probably use this point in my another video I'm making for the VMS wheels. So your standard set of wheels is recessed under the face of the lip right here. This is to mount and dismount. This is to like get one lip hooked under it and the other lip can come above when you're trying to dismount. But on the VMS, since the reverse mount, it's smaller in diameter on the back side than it is on the top. So I had to flip the wheel upside down and reverse mount the tire, because it's basically, if you look at the VMS wheel in this section here, the barrel is flat, and it's like the wheel is as wide as possible, and it's smaller in the backside. Whereas this one, it's stepped in the front and it's big on the bottom, if that makes any sense. So this is why it's important to know where the recess is in the wheel, because this is how you actually have to mount the wheels. You gotta actually use these tools to push the tire below into the recess to allow the opposite side to stretch over the lip. So I'm gonna use this guy to bring it down and this one to bring it down, and then it's gonna stretch onto it. I'm trying to get you an understanding of what I had to do to the VMS wheel, because I got like frustrated and I mounted it without recording. So see how this side stays inside, but the opposite side will get stretched. And for that to happen, this has to be tucked inside of the wheel to give this a little bit more stretch on that side. Yeah, so that's how it's supposed to happen. So yeah, that's gonna be an end to this video. Check out the head gasket video if you're interested in that. I'll put links and everything. I'm trying to like make it as easy as possible for you to access the videos and to find them. But yeah,
I'll put it.
just record whatever, it doesn't matter. Traffic.
RPMs, like when it slips, it'll just rev up. Oh, not that time.
Subscribe, it really helps, and comment below if you have any questions, or if you want your video featured, shoot me it on Facebook or Instagram, something like that. I'll feature it on my channel. But thanks for watching. See you next one. Neutral slam it.
The fuck? You still haven't fixed that?
Oh, bullshit to that too, huh?
Episode 2 of the fuck, what's the title?